There goes your French rap. There's a stairway going down, but it's dry. It's a dry one. Yeah? This is supposed to be Dog Creek, but it's dry. Because it's the dry season. There's supposed to be a what? A floating river here with a lot of people. So instead, we're camping out here at the Gib River, just off, and setting up this camp here. Dinner time, it's already like 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. There goes Frenchie's rap music in French. Eating his carrot like Bugs Bunny. Hey, Bugs Bunny.
Hey, finished my carrots.
You did? What are you gonna cook?
Pasta?
Pasta?
Classic or?
It's a classic. Pasta? I think I'm just gonna have an apple. But first things first, I do want to light this fire. So I'm probably gonna collect wood and then light it up. I already set up my shit. Just gotta put my shit inside and I'm good to go. So until then, I'll probably sign out.